Hello everyone. Now this is one Western Digital SMR hard drive. Now we can check the PCB number for this pension drive is 810011, and we can say the family name for this pension drive is VENICER. So VENICER, and the capacity for this pension drive is 6 TB. So we can unlock the firmware arrow by this ROM unlock, and users can select the source ROM, and target ROM means the unlock ROM. So users can write the unlock ROM to this pension drive to unlock the firmware arrow. So we have already unlocked the firmware arrow, and we can check all the firmware modules here. So now we can back up these firmware modules. Actually, we have already backed up all these pension hard drive modules. So we can check here. These are all the modules we have backup from the pension drive. And the most important one is the module 190, and we can check here, or we can search module 190. Okay, this is the dynamic translator, so this one is very important for users to back up. And also users can check the important functions. In many cases, users need to repair module 190, and users need to go to the DFL DDP data recovery software here. So we can open this software from the C panel and go to the Western Digital, and here users can repair module 190 and click OK, and users can select the module 190 to repair this dynamic translator. So this one is especially helpful to the Western Digital SMR hard drive data recovery cases. So we can come back by click the power icon for firmware repair. And right now we can try to test all the firmware modules to find out which firmware module is corrupted. Thank you for watching the video. This is how we use the DFL Western Digital firmware repair software and the data recovery equipment to access the firmware arrow and recover the lost data from this VENICER SMR hard drive.